Jai Kheteshwar, Jai Brahma Ji ki. With the blessing of Sant Shri 1008 Khetaramji Maharaj Sa, Kheteshwar Vidyapeeth, Bardli, Jodhpur has started with its new session 2020-21. Education is not just a process of giving knowledge for a future job, but it is a long life process which creates an understanding of moral and ethical values to guide one's life in a right path. As a parent, you want the best for your child, and we are proud to be working with you to ensure that they are given the right knowledge to face the challenges. At Kheteshwar Vidyapeeth, we focus on complete development of our students. Our vision is to give the students all-round capability, which includes creativity, observation, and knowledge empowerment, which leads to the generation of excellent performing citizens with sterling character. Bring your child here, and we assure that each child will be given right opportunity to reach his or her potential. Thank you.
A very warm good morning to one and all, to Honorable Chairperson and Chief Guest, Reverend Principals, respected learned Gurujans, distinguished audience, dear brothers and sisters. First of all, I bow down to the tricolored flag, beloved Tiranga Dhwaj. I congratulate all of you on the glorious occasion of our Republic Day, that is 26th January. As India is a democratic country, we should pay attention to the definition of democracy given by late President of America, Abraham Lincoln. He says, democracy is the government of the people, for the people, and by the people.
Before we think over how far the successful democracy of ours is, according to the definition given by my companion, I proceed on today's celebration of the Republic Day. On this day, in the year 1950, our constitution came into force. We, the citizens of India, were endowed with duties and rights. We, the citizens of India, were endowed with duties and rights. Today, the whole nation is celebrating the 71st Republic Day. During this period, there have been great achievements like uplift of downtrodden people of scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, and Adivasis. Party successful literacy movement, campaign for national integration, networks of roads and railway lines.
Honorable audience, India is a vast country. She has a vast population, so she has many problems to solve. Explosion of a population is a great cause of havoc. Government makes plans for progress and prosperity of the nation. Government makes plans for progress and prosperity of the nation, but they prove fruitless due to very rapid increase in the population.
The nation is facing several problems such as unemployment, poverty, pollution, etc. This is all because all the citizens of India does not pay attention. They just think that their self-work is done, that's enough. But no, and when we talk about the duties of a citizen, they put deaf ear too. Then nobody pays attention on the national interest, which is the most necessary.
It seems as if they have forgotten their duties towards the nation, described in the Constitution. It appears that they have nothing to do with their nation. Thank God, we have the most capable, far-sighted, a man of firm and quick decision, Mr. Narendra Modi, with strong-minded Associate Home Minister, Mr. Amit Shah.
The present central Modi government has started many schemes for the welfare of common people and suffering communities. For example, Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, Beti Bachao Beti Padhao, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Bhamasai Yojana, Atal Pension Yojana, Namami Gange Mission, Skill India Mission, etc.
The central government is taking several steps for the development of every sector of the society. But all the parties in the opposition strongly oppose each and every step of the central government. Why? They want to harsh Modi. Their only purpose is to harsh Modi. They don't have anything with the country nor with the Hindutva.
Ultimately, we hope and wish that the present government, in the leadership of Mr. Narendra Modi and Mr. Amit Shah, shall serve the people for a long time. Even if I have to face death thousands of times for the sake of my motherland, I shall not be sorry. O Lord, grant me 100 births in India, but grant me this too, that each time I give up my life in the service of motherland. So today, let's take an oath not to judge anyone on the basis of caste, color, language, appearance, and love each other as human beings. With this, ladies and gentlemen, we conclude our speech and hoping that we will achieve the goals of development and prosperity soon together. Jai Hind, thank you.
एकान्विंशति शताब्दी सप्तचत्वारिंशत्तमस्य वर्षस्य अगस्त मासस्य 15 दिनाङ्के स्वतन्त्रतम् अभवत्। परन्तु तदानीम् अस्य किमपि स्वकीयं संविधानं न आसीत्। अतः डॉक्टर राजेंद्र प्रसाद महोदयानाम् अध्यक्षतायां संविधान निर्माण कार्य एकस्याः परिषद स्थापना अभवत्। यदा संविधान निर्माण कार्य समाप्तम् अभवत् तदा संविधान अंगीकृत्य देशे 51 शताब्दी 50तमे वर्षे जनवरी मासस्य 26 दिनाङ्के भारत देशः प्रजाप्रभुत्व राष्ट्रमिति घोषितवान्। अतः अयं दिवस बहु महत्वपूर्ण विद्यते। अस्मिन् दिवसे सर्वासु शिक्षणसंस्थासु ध्वजात्तोलनं भवति, विविधाः कार्यक्रमाः आयोज्यन्ते, राष्ट्रगान गीति, मिष्टान्नादीना वितरणं च क्रियते। अस्य उत्सवः दिल्लीनगरे महता उल्लासेन हर्षेण समान्यते। अस्मिन् दिवसे राष्ट्रपति राष्ट्रस्य नाम्ना सन्देशं प्रसारयति। अस्य उत्सवस्य सर्वे अपि कार्यक्रमाः रेडियो दूरदर्शन प्रभृति यन्त्राणां माध्यमेन समग्रे अपि देशे श्रवणन्ते दृश्यन्तेश्च। अतः संस्कृत भारत समर्थ भारतम, वदतु संस्कृतं, जयतु भारतम। धन्यवाद।